Being well prepared in an emergency situation could make a big difference should your family ever find yourself in one. To help you prepare, here's a guide on how to put together your very own DIY family evac pack. Start with a lightweight, waterproof backpack or duffel bag that you can pack everything inside of. Clean, drinkable water will be essential. Be ready to boil it or have a portable water filter or purification tablets on hand. Also, have at least a 3-day supply of non-perishable food. Include a kitchen or mess kit with plastic cups, plates, and utensils. And for your fur buddies, have a stash of pet food and extra water on hand too. Don't forget a manual can opener. Pack a tarp and nylon cord, which can be used for a makeshift shelter, among other things. Stay warm with a sleeping bag or emergency survival blanket. Pack one for each person in your family. And don't forget a fire starter. Include a couple of lighters and waterproof matches. Pack a laminated list of phone numbers, a local map, a battery-powered or hand-crank radio, a flashlight, and extra batteries. Be sure to include a first aid kit with safety pins and tweezers, and include any of your family members' essential medications. Pack moist towelettes, garbage bags, and plastic ties for sanitary needs, and include a few whistles to signal for help. These whistles double as compasses and thermometers too. Don't forget a high-quality multi-tool, duct tape, and a really good knife. And finally, it's also smart to include plastic sheeting and dust masks in case you need to filter contaminated air while waiting for help. Hopefully you'll never find yourself in an emergency situation, but with these items packed and ready to go, you can rest easy knowing that your family will be safe and comfortable.